Book of Psalms, Tehillim, chapter 40. I waited for YAHUAH, and he inclined to me and heard my cry. And he drew me out of the pit of destruction, out of the muddy clay. And he set my feet upon a rock. He is establishing my steps. Then he put a new song in my mouth, praise to our Elohim. Many do see it and fear, and trust in YAHUAH. Blessed is that man who has made YAHUAH his trust, and has not turned to the proud, and those turning aside to falsehood. O YAHUAH, my Elohim, many are your wonders which you have done, and your purposes toward us. There is no one to compare with you, I declare and speak. They are too many to be numbered. Slaughtering and meal offering you do not desire. You have opened my ears. Ascending offering and sin offering you do not ask for. Then I said, see, I have come. In the scroll of the book it is prescribed for me. I have delighted to do your pleasure, O my Elohim, and your Torah is within my heart. I have proclaimed the good news of righteousness in the great assembly. See, I do not restrain my lips, O YAHUAH, you know. I did not conceal your righteousness within my heart. I have declared your trustworthiness and your deliverance. I did not hide your loving commitment and your truth from the great assembly. Do not withhold your compassion from me, O YAHUAH. Let your loving commitment and your truth always watch over me. For evils without number have surrounded me. My crookedness have overtaken me, and I have been unable to see. They became more than the hairs of my head, and my heart has failed me. Be pleased, O YAHUAH, to deliver me. O YAHUAH, hasten to help me. Let those who seek to destroy my life be ashamed and abashed altogether. Let those who are desiring my evil be driven back and put to shame. Let those who say to me, Aha, be appalled at their own shame. Let all those who seek you rejoice and be glad in you. Let those who love your deliverance always say, YAHUAH be exalted. But I am poor and needy. Let YAHUAH think upon me. You are my help and my deliverer. O my Elohim, do not delay.